Hi ladies and gents, this is Irene, Seriously Scrapping. Just wanted to share with you a quick project. Turning these into rusty looking nails. They're your normal silver ones. And first I started with a bit of black gesso and just blotting it on with to create that texture, and then I used this Inca Gold. And yeah, just dabbing it on, which then gives it more this type of look. But and then you dry it in between, but the only thing is it scrapes off. So then I used my brain and I used my Copic markers, and even though you don't get the texture, at least it doesn't come off on you. I'll just put it side by side so you can see. I mean, that's got the texture, but this doesn't, but at least it's not going to scrape off on you. And I'll just put a normal one there. I mean, you aren't silly, but I will just, I'm not trying to insult you by showing you how to do it. I'm sure you know how to colour it in, but, just to show you how I do it. And so I first do very lightly the top part, and then I, with a little dryer thing, and then I do the back, and just to get all the little parts in between here and there. Yeah, just do a couple of layers of that, and that's it. And this actually has a nice little kind of red rusty effect through it, which is fantastic. Let's see if I can show it up. Can you see that little red kind of rusty look it's giving? So this is the chow, the Copic chows, and it's E49. It's basically a really dark brown. So these are my browns. Yeah, so it's just basically the darkest brown. So yeah. Also, while I'm here, I wanted to just show you how messy my craft room is. If anyone's got a messier craft room than this, if you can do a video with your craft room, that's my doorway. So I walk in, right? So when you walk in, that's my desk. That's to the side, they're my drawers. That's just enough space for me to sit down there. So once I sit down here, this is my desk. Over here, I'll turn it to the side. Over here is all my stuff on the side, under the table. Up here is a few more things up there, my little decorations. A few more things over here, over there, over there. Down here is that, and over here is that. Now, I'm putting a challenge out. If you can show me your craft room that is more disorganized and messy looking than that, I will give you a $20 craft pack from my store. Aussie residents only. Thank you. Cheers.